In this video, we will show the best Maybelline makeup kit products available to buy. At number 10. Maybelline New York Face Studio Contouring Stick. It is all-in-one contouring duo stick for highlight and contour. Available in 2 shades for light to medium and medium to dark skin tone. At number 9. Maybelline New York 24K Gold Eyeshadow. 13 eyeshadow looks with duo, trio, and quad color combinations. Infused with sparkling metallic gold pigments. Perfect for day and evening makeup. At number 8. Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder. It Fit Me Pressed Powder provides breathable, long-wearing, lightweight coverage with a natural, smooth finish. It gives a natural finish and does not look cakey. At number 7. Maybelline New York White Super Fresh Compact. 12HR Fair, fresh and perfect. Your complexion looks and feels perfect all day long, even in hot, humid weather. Superior puff and packaging. At number 6. Maybelline New York The Blushed Eyeshadow. These blushed nude tones are highly blendable with an amazing texture that is universally flattering and looks natural on all skin types. At number 5. Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. The first all-in-one product from Maybelline New York that marries the 2 must-haves in eyebrow theory, the sharpness of pencil and the softness of powder. At number 4. Maybelline New York Color Sensational Loaded Bold Lipstick. Hypercolor pigments and an opaque, creamy clay base deliver one-stroke intensity. Sumptuous Honey Nectar leaves a creamy finish. At number 3. Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer. This oil-free concealer matches skin tones to deliver a more even complexion. Skin looks perfected with this natural coverage concealer. At number 2. Maybelline New York Fit Me Liquid Foundation. It provides coverage for a wide array of skin tones. Use the foundation's buildable coverage for a flawlessly matte, natural looking. At number 1. Maybelline New York Colossal Kajal. It is 12 hours long-lasting kajal that does not fade and is smudge-proof. Water-resistant and deep intense rich color. Vitamin E that soothes the eyes and prevents irritation.